7 ways to eat turmeric so that it is best absorbed by your body. If you haven't heard by now, turmeric is kind of a big deal. A key component of many Asian cuisines, this brightly colored spice is regarded not just for its sweet and zingy flavor, but also for an array of incredible properties for well-being. Thanks to the therapeutic qualities of its main active ingredient, curcumin, turmeric has been used by generations of Ayurvedic practitioners to soothe a wide array of ailments and conditions. In recent years, many people in the Western world have also started to appreciate the power of this super spice, with it being incorporated into diets, menus, and recipes everywhere. Powerful as it may be, extracting all of turmeric's healing benefits, however, is not as simple as throwing it in a morning smoothie or sprinkling some into hot water to make a tea. Turmeric is believed to have limited bioavailability, which is a scientific way of saying that in isolation, the body has a tough time making use of it. First, let's talk about curcumin absorption and its bioavailability. Bioavailability is the amount of curcumin in turmeric that can be absorbed by the body for metabolic purposes. Suppose there is a high bioavailability of a nutrient. In that case, it is easy for the body to metabolize, digest, and absorb it. Unfortunately, the bioavailability of curcumin in turmeric is poor, and your body will have trouble digesting, metabolizing, and absorbing it. But luckily, there are some easy ways that you can increase the bioavailability of turmeric so your body can get the maximum benefit. In this video, I will cover 7 effective tips and powerful food combinations that can enhance and skyrocket curcumin's bioavailability. Add some black pepper. Who would have guessed that black pepper, the modest table seasoning, is such a brilliant curcumin absorption booster? Black pepper contains an alkaloid called piperine, which gives pepper its pungency and acts as an enhancer of the absorption of various nutrients, including curcumin. One particular study showed that taking piperine along with your turmeric improves curcumin's bioavailability by a massive 2,000%. So, if you're going to give any of your meals a spicy turmeric kick, then don't forget to add some black pepper. I will leave the link in the description below the video for my full article about black pepper benefits and how much to take it to get the maximum benefits. Combine turmeric with healthy fats. When ingested on its own, curcumin's low solubility in water means it cannot be easily absorbed by the gut. Since fat is readily absorbed into the intestines and eventually into the bloodstream, curcumin becomes more bioavailable by simply being attached to it. Practically speaking, this means consuming fat and turmeric together is an excellent idea. Turmeric works well in dishes that include fatty ingredients like avocado or coconut oil milk. Are you thinking of making a delicious curry now? That is an excellent idea. Cooking with turmeric using healthy fats together with freshly ground black pepper is a great combination to increase the absorption of curcumin. Heat it up gently. Some experts have indicated that the water solubility of turmeric, and thus its bioavailability, can be improved simply by exposing turmeric to heat. According to nutritionist Dr. Rupala Dutta, the cooking process is conducive to turmeric absorption, but only if it is done carefully. It is suggested that a cooking period of 5 to 10 minutes is best for achieving optimal curcuminoid absorption in the body. In instances where longer cooking times are required, one study has shown that using a souring agent like tamarind can help limit any nutrients minimizing effects. Nonetheless, the best approach when cooking turmeric is to keep boiling durations short and waiting as long as possible before adding it to your recipe. Eat the whole turmeric root. There is more to turmeric than just curcumin. There are over 100 powerful ingredients in the turmeric root, which have been found to have beneficial properties for your body. So, another good way to boost turmeric's absorption is to eat turmeric root in its natural state, just the way Mother Nature intended. Processing of the raw turmeric root could minimize or completely eliminate many of the other beneficial compounds. There are many supplements that contain only primary bioactive substance, curcumin, and no other nutrients at all. In ancient Ayurvedic practices, the whole spice was used as various compounds in turmeric work synergistically together, and not only provided extra nutrients, but also aid in curcumin absorption. Many nutritionists suggest that eating the whole fresh turmeric root is better than using supplements or powdered versions. Eat turmeric with quercetin-rich foods. Commonly found in plant foods, quercetin is a pigment or flavanol that provides color to many fruits and vegetables. Experts believe that it aids curcumin's absorption into the intestines by acting as an inhibitor of enzymes that would otherwise hinder its progress into the bloodstream. One study discovered that curcumin's intestinal permeability increased by 147% when paired with quercetin. Quercetin-rich foods are plentiful in nature. Onions, kale, berries, red grapes, citrus fruits, cherries, and green tea being especially dense with this fantastic compound. So get the most benefit. Chuck some cherries and blueberry into your smoothie next time, along with a fresh turmeric root. Drink it as a Haldi Doodh, aka turmeric milk. Relatively new to the Western world, this drink has been consumed for centuries in its spiritual home of India. Traditional Haldi Doodh was created in alignment with Ayurvedic healing practices, containing a mix of ingredients and other spices, such as cinnamon, ginger, and black pepper. The popularity growth of this beverage in recent times has paved the way for more modern recipes and spin-offs like the Golden Latte. A simple, more authentic version consists of turmeric, full-fat milk, black pepper, and honey, making it a real turmeric absorption superfood. Make a wellness shot. They say the best things in life come in small portions. One of the easiest ways to add turmeric to your diet is by drinking a small, spicy, and nutrition-dense wellness shot. This is certainly one of my favorite methods of taking turmeric. Wellness shots are typically concentrated and condensed cold-pressed juices made from plants, herbs, and spices, and will provide your body with a quick burst of nutrients in one little shot. Some shots contain only turmeric and ginger juice, while others include apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, apple juice, and cayenne pepper and honey. Many popular turmeric wellness shot recipes also include bioavailability boosters to ensure maximum nutrient absorption. These shots are easy to make and can be taken as a morning energy booster, or you can drink them throughout the day. I will give my favorite wellness shot recipes that are super easy to make, very effective, and absolutely delicious with peppery sweet tang and pungent and spicy aftertaste. I have left a link in the description below this video to my 7 most popular homemade turmeric shot recipes that also contain bioavailability enhancer. Check it out now.